What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the garage. So I thought today, on the second video of the inaugural Tire Change Tuesday, it's a thing, y'all. I made it up. It works in my garage. That's what we're doing. Tire Change Tuesday. Not for any particular reason other than these are just cars that may be custom in the future. I may need those wheels right there for something else. I'm going to put something else on them as a placeholder. Tire Change Tuesday, that's what that's all about. So we're going to try to do this right now, like right here on video. So let's get at it, y'all. And I'm not trying to drill out this hole. I'm just trying to get a little bit of depth below the body so that the next bigger bit will just kind of take off that mushroom cap. I want to say this is a 5/32, but I'll double check. I'll let you know in the comments. So we're just trying to get below that body frame. Let me see what this looks like. This one needs a little more. Oh, this is horrible. This is absolutely horrible. Battery's dead. That's okay. That's okay. At this garage, we always have a spare. Always be prepared. Nope. A little more. This post is tough, y'all. Yep. Maybe this one needs a little bit more to go below that body frame. Y'all wonder, y'all ain't never seen this before, have you? Nope. This is a real working garage. This is what we do every single day of the week. Every single day. The whole purpose for Charles's Diecast Garage, not just to show off stuff that I've found. It's not just to show off stuff that I've worked on. It's actually just to get me out of the dang house so my wife doesn't kill me in my sleep. That's the God's honest truth. Y'all remember that in case I ever come up missing. See that? Just broke that off. Little mushroom cap right there. Hit this one real quick. Done, y'all. Done. Ooh, and just like that, we lost a lot of parts. And that's how we lose parts of this truck. Oh my God. That's exactly how we lose parts of this garage, man. This is not good. And we already lost one of the wheels. How freaking awesome is that? Yeah, so it always cracks me up because every car that I take apart is different. Sometimes you'll see these little posts right here completely melted down, y'all. Like completely melted down. And then you got guys like this. He didn't even barely try. He's like, it's almost lunchtime. I'm almost out. But these are fairly easy to get to. Just go ahead and take a skinny screwdriver. All you gotta do is just do a little bit like that, and they'll come right out. Okay. Or you can just take a lighter, heat it up, pull the wheels out slowly so that, because that thing's gonna like melt, cool down quick. But yeah, so this was yeah, super simple spool swap right here, man. Hell yeah, this is working out great. So I did take these wheels off of one of those flea market finds that I had, and I wanted to see if they would fit. Nope, 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 nope. They are so close. I really want to use these wheels though. Well, there's two things we can do. We can't lengthen the axle. Well, we could if we find a longer axle and cut them down. Or we can do something different. So let's Alright, so the back wheels seem to fit just fine and they roll just fine. But the front ones, when you go to put them on, they're a little tight. Which is fine if you want a static roller, but we're not into that. We want crap to roll, man. So we're just going to go ahead and pull this out. Get this little deburring tool going on the Dremel. And there's this little hump right here. Doesn't take much. Sometimes that little form deal is all you need to just go ahead and get a nice roller. It needs a little more. You can kind of see that. Not a whole lot of gap there. So we'll just hit it a few more passes. See what happens. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on there, son? Yeah, we just went crazy on that mofo right there. That's okay. That's okay. Ain't nobody gonna see it but you. And now they both roll. Awesome! Awesome, awesome, awesome. But I realized, you know what we forgot to do? Forgot to drill that out right there. We forgot to drill that out. So, we're gonna take out the big bit that we use for taking out that mushroom top. The rivet top, whatever you want to call it. I don't want to say mushroom head, that has a negative connotation. So, boom. We got our thing here. And just because this is such a fine bit, I'm just got a little bit of oil to the front one because the oil will actually carry on to the next one. Okay? So let's do this. Alright, I don't know if you're going to see that, but if you were here with me at the garage, you would see that it is to full depth. We'll go ahead and do this one again, the back one. And I want to tell you, you need to be careful. These posts, oh great. These posts are fairly long. You can see how long this is. So there's a lot of room to go back in there and go a little deeper if you got to. If you go too deep, not a problem. But when you get to like trucks and stuff that are like the post is half that size, you have to be careful. You have to be careful because a lot of these, I mean, they're not making these one at a time, y'all. They're making these in like trees. They put the mold in like a wax mold kind of deal. The hot liquid comes in, takes the place of that, and a lot of times you have air pockets inside the casting itself, and you won't see it. You won't see it until you start drilling, and you're drilling and it's solid and it's good and it's tight, and all of a sudden you hit a pocket and the bit goes through. And I have drilled through a car many a time because there was an air pocket there where there should have been metal. And I can show an example real quick. Real quick example. Not this one. This one. No, that's not the one. Never mind. Scratch that, reverse it. Never mind. I know why that one has a hole in it. That's the time that the drill bit broke and it went through my finger and went through the body. Y'all, that's an actual thing. Be careful when you're using power tools, man. Be real careful, okay? This just needs a little bit more here on this side, and we'll be good. So yeah, there's not much to this, y'all. I mean, in all honesty, this is a lot easier than drilling and tapping. I mean, this is drilling and tapping, but I'm not using a tapper per se. I have self-tapping screws that I got off of Amazon, which I can't find my bottle. What the hell? Oh, it's right here. Got my big channel sticker in there so I wouldn't lose it. My bad, y'all. I got issues. I have issues, y'all. But yeah, these are like almost $9 for like 100 of them. I bought 3 packages this last time because I did not want to run out again, because every time I run out, a couple of days, and then, you know, there's that whole situation. But yeah, these self-tapping screws are like $2.56. Just a little bit of work. Self-tappers make it a lot easier. It cuts out a step. I leave them in when I strip them. I leave them in when I'm painting, because most of the time the paint carries over from the after spray onto the bottom of the car. So it just makes a lot of sense. But on certain cars, I prefer to use a clean screw. And don't do that. Look at that. That is jacked up. We're gonna pull that out. Pull that out. You know what we're gonna do? Run that drill through here one more time, straighten that mess out. Tell you, this is a real garage, y'all. This ain't some made up hokey baloney stuff. We actually do real work here. And real work makes mistakes. And mistakes have to be fixed. And the only way you can learn how to fix mistakes is to keep going forward. My favorite uncle, my Uncle George, always said, never go straight, go forward. So my Uncle George is very prideful that he was gay, and I love him to death. He wasn't even really my uncle, he was my uncle's partner, you know, because back then you couldn't get married, and he didn't live long enough to that. But man, he was a fantastic person, a fantastic human being. Would do anything for you that you ever needed done. He would help you out. He helped me and my wife out when we first got married. Yeah, just a really great guy. Really great guy, loved by many people. Alright, this video is taking way too long dealing with these freaking screws, okay? So let's go ahead and take them out. We've spent way too much time on this part. But here's the thing, is like, use these self-tapping screws. Just a little bit of extra steps. It doesn't take much to do a tire change Tuesday. Okay? And we're just doing a tire change Tuesday because, in all honesty, you can change these wheels out anytime you want. As long as you have drilled them out and put new screws in them, you can go back inside there, detail up the interior. You can go back inside there and change up the paint, right? Everything's gonna look good, you know? So yeah, it doesn't take much to just change one little thing on a tiny car like this. I can tell you already, these are gonna look a lot better with these real racing sticks on there instead of just those plain black plastic ones. Especially the aero disc wheels, y'all. If you're gonna do this, at least pick out the cars that have the aero disc and make them better looking so that people will say, oh, that's another second Hot Wheels. Yeah, a lot better than what it was when I found it, y'all. But I've been wanting to do this car for a while. It's been sitting over there, and yeah, it doesn't take much. I got these wheels off one of those 50-cent NASCAR cars that I got. Some of them were like $3 or $4, some of them were 50 cents. But I buy them just because they have wheels that say Goodyear and what have you. And I just think that if you're going to have a race car, you're going to have actual good wheels on there, right? Yeah. So, that being said, y'all, thank you for stopping by. Let's go ahead and move this down. Thank you for stopping by the garage on Tire Change Tuesday. It's a thing, y'all. Copyrighted, press mark, trademark. Yeah. So Tire Change Tuesday, easy fix. I think this car looks a lot better. The yellow Goodyear lettering with the black tires look much better with this yellow and black highlights on this car. It doesn't take much to make something your own, okay? Simple things, right? As long as you got the tools available, you can change out tires, no problem. We're also off Wednesday. That's a great thing. This is Tire Change Tuesday. This is what we do at Charles Diecast Garage. So once again, thank y'all for stopping by the garage. Absolutely love it when you do. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the like on the videos. Y'all are awesome, right? So until the next time you're at the garage, be safe, be well, and be kind. Always be kind. Until the next time you're at the garage, I'll see you later, grease monkeys.